Alright, down here in good old Greenfield. Picked up the tripod, got the camera, and it did have the lens. Everything's in good working order. That tripod head, it's a Majestic head, so she's going to be stout. Spring loaded. The monorail functions perfectly. Rotating back, and that Coltar 150mm lens. So scooped all that up, threw it in the back of the car. I don't know if you guys can see that, but one more step toward glory done. So we're going to pack this dog and pony show up and head back to the house, get everything cleaned up and looked at. Cambo's here. There we go. Everything's working in good order. We have rise in the rear. We have tilt rear. Working pretty good. And then front. We have rise. Tilt. And we have the rear back rotates as it should. Shift in the rear. Shift in the front. Looking good. And then swing. And swing in the front. Looking good. Focus is up nice. A little dusty. Also has that Majestic tripod head. One nice thing about these monorails is everything's indicated in degrees. And here's that lens. See, it's working in good order. We'll close it up. We have it on 1 second. Boom. Looks good. Let's try that again. We'll stop it down. We're on 1 second. Boom. Shutter's working good. Has levels on the top here, as they mostly do, but this one's broken off. And other than that one missing level and this one swing screw, tilt screw is loose. So this is the only one that holds it in place, but it's got plenty of gumption to keep it there. One other thing I noticed is this lever has a small crack in it. It doesn't look like it extends the whole length. It just terminates halfway through, so we're good. Made in Holland. There she be. Giant surgical machine. This will hold an 8x10 nicely. That is our objective at the end of the day. Yeah, it's looking good. There's the ground glass. Nice thing about these is they have a bail back, so you can insert the film holder and close it up. There it is. Boom. Rotate the back so you guys can see. Ooh, that's so easy. Latch it down. So that's it. I think it's gonna work for us. Now we got to get this lens off this board and put it on the Vista and go from there. I was gonna bring you guys to see the buy, but I didn't really know the guy. I didn't really feel like doing the whole, do you mind being on camera? Blah, blah, blah. So just went ahead and purchased it. We just got it home and just starting to clean it off. So the head works as it should. Real easy. Yeah, can't complain. Set that down. Here it is. We'll have to grease these knobs up. But it's working pretty good. Little TLC will do it right. Sweet that it's on rollers. Perfect studio machine. One of my favorite things to shoot are still lives. And nothing really gets better for a still life than a studio tripod, in my opinion. You can easily manipulate it, move it around wherever you need to go, and set it up however you need. So there we are. Cambo monorail. 4x5. Things are coming together.